Hey everybody, it's Ryan from Cruisin with the Colemans, and we are at the 2023 Hershey RV show, taking a look at the new 2024 Apex models by Coachman, and we are standing right now at the 243 FKS. I think that means front kitchen slide. And notice this thing is coming in at under 6,000 pounds, which is a great.
There you go.
First of all, let's take a look at the outside. Believe it or not, in this kind of short 24-foot RV, this is an outdoor kitchen. So we've got this nice big space here, good sized fridge, and one of the things coming standard on all of the 24 Coachmans are these griddles. Even if you don't have an outdoor kitchen, you still get the griddle. It's got a really nice sturdy cast iron frame on, or griddle on top of it. A great little feature going on here. And in this RV, we also have an outdoor TV space. So if you wanted to add a TV out here, you could, or you just got some added bonus.
Hey, I can see that being a cocktail bar right there.
Oh, that'd be perfect for the cocktail bar right there. Also, one of the things that is now coming industry standard on all of the Coachmen Apex models, they are all Voyager camera ready. All right, so let's take a look inside and see what we got going on here. As we come in through the front door, notice we got this Bluetooth pill speaker that's also now a standard Apex feature. This is the charging station, but the speaker can go anywhere you go, connect it to your phone or some other device, and you're ready to enjoy your music and your sound. We've got all of our control systems right here. We've got the awning and the slide out, all of that stuff. And we've got a little closet right here that's actually pretty good size, bigger than I expected it to be. I figured that was gonna be like the little key closet, but that's actually a full-size coat closet when you walk in. Big living space. This feels like a big RV inside. I really like that.
It's got one big slide here, so that's all.
So we've got this 12 volt. Yep, we've got a 12 volt refrigerator. The nice thing about these is that they're more energy efficient because they don't run on the propane. But also, look at all that extra space you get in the fridge. It is a huge refrigerator. And
it's at the bottom.
You can tell I have not opened one of these before. And even that freezer, you've got enough space here to store food.
I need that.
A huge crowd.
I need that fridge.
All right, we've got the microwave, this flat cooktop surface, which is nice because it extends your counter. We've got this great big counter space, so I could easily put my coffee pot or my crock pot or my air fryer or whatever else I could put a couple things back here. Lots of space back here. Great big giant single farmhouse style
These are my
sink.
fave. Look at all of this. Like, look at this kitchen.
This is where all my everything is stored back there. But then I do have, this is the outdoor.
Open that other side.
This is a dummy door. It doesn't open. You can see it's screwed shut because that's where all my plumbing and my venting is for all of that stuff. But that goes to my outside pass-through. So that is a nice way to get into
liquor cabinet.
Things.
Liquor cabinet, Brian.
Liquor cabinet. Who knows?
We talk about cocktails too much.
Up here, I've got just a really narrow storage area here. Not totally sure what would go in there. Probably cleaning supplies and stuff because that's kind of a small space. And then we've got one more small space right here. But these cabinets.
Oh, those drawers are nice.
Drawers are full size. Three cabinets up here for storage. I'm going to be honest with you. In this rig, I don't know where I keep my pots and pans. I don't know where I keep my plates because all my storage spaces up here are small.
You put it where I said to put your liquor.
Well, I can't put those all back.
No, I meant up here.
So I'm not really sure where I'd store all my pots and pans and my plates because all the storage spaces are kind of narrow. This nice textured residential ceiling. The slide out is a relatively flat slide out. It's all linoleum. There's no carpet anywhere in this rig, so that's certainly going to help keep it clean. Obviously, this is going to fold down into a bed just like standard on most rigs. And we've got space here for storage on both sides.
So we got a bed here, but these are nice.
Entertainment center seating. Oh, wow. This is super comfortable. Holy cow.
Oh, that's nice.
Here to store all your remotes and your chargers and your cords and your cables and all that stuff you never know where to put.
Those could be wider.
These are small cup holders. Yeah, this would be a problem.
This is a can size.
Yeah, this is a can or a throwaway water bottle size. Definitely not the size for a like a refillable water bottle or really much larger than a can. But you know the nice thing about this is you can get these anywhere. just make the hole bigger.
I was gonna say you could also put one. You could put a cup holder here and there on the other side. We'll link our cup holders below, right here.
Coachman, you could have done better on these cup holders. Not gonna lie, that's a little disappointing. All right,
haven't seen this yet.
Big arm. So we're gonna push it back.
Look at the fireplace.
By the way, we are Wi-Fi ready in all of these 24 rigs. So
what does that mean?
you just have, it's got a Wi-Fi. This is the Wi-Fi transmitter. You just have to activate the service. So you would pick your service thing connected to your rig.
Okay.
Let's take a look at the bathroom. Oh, the bathroom goes both directions.
I see. I was like, there's light in the bathroom.
Kind of a small bathroom, but I mean, it's certainly functional.
Step up. Let me see that shower.
Shower.
Can I shave my legs in there?
You are going to have a hard time shaving your legs without putting your foot on the toilet, which means you're going to get water everywhere.
Water is the enemy.
But it's big enough. It's certainly big enough. I think this feels to me more like a weekend warrior kind of rig. Regular sink, some storage under here. It's not super wide storage, deep storage, because
plumbing. How's the toilet? Oh, we got plenty of
cabinet.
There's plenty of elbow room in the toilet.
Elbow room in the toilet here. I'm not. Well, I mean, when I close the door, I might have a little bit. But notice this is an open-up door. No pocket doors in this rig. But this one is a pocket door, so I have that there. But I've got plenty of arm room in this. You go that way. I'm going to go this way. Meet me in the bedroom.
Ooh. Oh, hi.
This bedroom is set up east-west, which is kind of interesting.
Oh, yeah, it's on a slide.
A bedroom slide.
Oh, hold on. Let me get around here. So this is the door to go out. That was the bathroom. But hold on. Here we go. Here we go.
This is interesting. The slide-out control for this is in the bedroom. It's not up there in the top control area.
There we go.
Some spaces here, and then there's also a little bit of storage space underneath this little shelf.
Oh, I see that. Okay, hold on. Okay, all right.
And then this great underbed storage. Love this feature in the new Apexes.
Gosh,
I don't necessarily feel like it's necessary because this is such a big bedroom.
Oh, I do. It's more storage is always necessary.
The fact that you're creating this area that you can stand in, because you don't really need it on this rig because the bedroom is already plenty big. Take a look at this.
He just said the bedroom. Honey, the bedroom's never big enough.
Well, I mean...
No.
Take a look at this closet, though.
Yeah.
This is pretty nifty. This is a pretty big size wardrobe area.
You say weekend warrior, but then you've got that big closet. I don't know.
Yeah. And then this side has got shelves.
Laundry hamper for sure in there.
Laundry hamper could go in there. But
this is great.
A lot of space in here. TV backers right here above the bed. You have to put an arm on it probably so that it can swing out.
So let me show this real quick.
For bed.
And that cushion indicates where you sit.
Yeah, we've got a vent back here, but no fan in it.
Let's we'll link below our fantastic fan installation video.
Rarely on these do you see the back side of the RV, but there's nothing back here. There's not a pass-through door, so it's not really a pass-through, it's just storage. And take a look at this storage, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really impressed. So remember we showed you this pass-through from the kitchen where that closet opened up, but take a look at this, because this storage space goes all the way back to there, but there's no access to it. So that little narrow channel is those doors from the kitchen. So you can get to it, but there's really no outdoor storage up here on the RV. And by the way, there's under the fridge and under the stove where we were showing you all of that. Well, if you like this tour, make sure you check out all of our other tours of the new 24 Coachman models. We got a whole list of them in the playlist down below.